Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable FaceTime in Siri and Search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, tap on Siri and Search. Now in here are different options that you can turn on or turn off. For example, at the top one is Learn from this app. So you can tap on this toggle button to allow Siri to learn from how you use FaceTime to make suggestions across app. The next section is the searching section. So in here you can choose to show or hide the app in Search, or to show or hide the app content in Search. The last section is the suggestions section. In here you can choose to show or hide suggestions on home screen, in app, and in notifications. So in here you'll be able to customize how FaceTime will appear in Siri and Search. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.